Welcome to your CalGenetic portal video journey. You have access to 5 videos that provide step-by-step instructions for using the CalGenetic portal to place orders and view results for the California Prenatal Screening Program. The videos will cover how to access and manage your user profile, manage delegates, if applicable, view screening results, provide an overview of the delegate activities, and finally, how to place orders for prenatal screening with the CalGenetic portal. This video, Manage Delegates, provides an overview of how providers can manage users that work as delegates under their permission in the portal. By the end of this video, you, as a provider, will be able to add new delegates and align them to the correct facilities. Manage, edit, and remove existing delegates, and change access expiration dates for delegates. Let's get started. In this section, you will learn how to add new delegates and assign facilities. First, navigate to the CalGenetic portal login page. If you are a returning user, click the Register Sign In button on the home page. A warning message will be displayed covering the state of California's authorized use of the portal. Click Proceed to agree to the terms of use. On the login screen, enter your email address and password in the respective fields provided, and click Sign In to log into the portal. When signing in, after the initial access, you will be asked to enter your phone number, which will be stored to confirm your identity with a code sent to you via phone call or text to the number provided as a form of multi-factor authentication. Once you verify your account via MFA, you will successfully be signed into the CalGenetic portal and will land on the dashboard screen. If this is the first time you will be logging in, you will need to create a new account. Please refer to the User Access and Profile Management for Licensed Clinicians video to learn how. Once you have created your account, you will be able to sign in as a returning user. From the dashboard, select the Prenatal Screening Results tile. On the Prenatal Screening Results screen, physicians and osteopaths can add delegates under the Add a New Delegate tile, as highlighted on the results screen. When you click the Add Delegate button, you will be redirected to the Delegate Profile screen. Enter the required details for your delegate, identified by the red asterisks by each field, such as the email to associate their account to, last name, first name, profession, access expiration details, and assign facilities. Assign facilities to the delegate where you want them to place PNS orders for you. The email address entered will be the delegate's username for login and cannot be changed by anyone once created. Delegate license number entry is optional. Please note that delegate access can be granted for a maximum of up to 90 days at a time, which is the default assignment for security purposes. Other physicians and osteopaths, as well as physicians' assistants, licensed midwives, nurse midwives, and nurse practitioners, cannot be added as delegates. Click Save Delegate to save their details. Success will result in a delegate added successfully message. You will be automatically navigated to the Manage Delegates page, which will be covered in the next section. The added delegate will appear on the list of delegates. If failed, a message will appear, as highlighted on the results screen. Delegates will automatically receive a notification at the email address you provided when creating their delegate profile. The email contains a secure link to validate their account on the CalGenetic portal, so that they can access the portal on a designated provider's behalf. Delegates can work on behalf of many providers, and providers may have many delegates. Delegates will be able to subsequently access the CalGenetic portal at the provided link. On the prenatal screening results screen, delegates can also be added under the Manage Delegates tile, as highlighted on the results screen. When you click the Manage Delegates button, you will be redirected to the Manage Delegates screen. Click Add Delegate to access the delegate profile screen. Follow the same steps just covered for the successful addition of delegates. In this section, you will learn how to manage existing delegates. On the prenatal screening results portal screen, click the Manage Delegates button. You will be redirected to the My Delegates screen. When managing multiple delegates, you can apply filters by expiration status or assigned facility to view your delegates matching the selected criteria. This can be done on the My Delegates screen. In the Filter Delegates header, select filters you want applied to your delegates from the checkboxes. If any results match your filters, then they will display on the window. In this section, you will learn how to edit existing delegates. As a provider, from the My Delegates page, click the Delegate row to edit the delegate details. You will be navigated to the Delegate Profile screen to make changes. Once you have made the changes, click Save Delegate to save the changes. Please note that access expires on and facility permissions are the only two details that can be modified and saved. Please note that delegates can only be granted access 90 days at a time for security purposes. Success will result in a delegate updated successfully message, and you will be automatically navigated to Manage Delegates page. If your edits cannot be saved, a failure message will appear. In this section, you will learn how to remove existing delegates. As a provider, from the My Delegates page, you can select the delegate record and click the Delete icon to delete the delegate record. Click the Delete Delegate button to confirm removal. Success will result in a Delegate Deleted Successfully message, and you will be automatically navigated to the Manage Delegates page. The removed delegate will disappear from the list of delegates. If the delegate is shared among multiple physicians, the delegate must be removed from each physician's account, as necessary. If failed, a message will appear, as highlighted on the results screen. In this section, you will learn how to change access expiration dates for delegates. As a provider, from the My Delegates page, you can select multiple delegate records to extend the access of the delegates. Click Extend Access to continue. Click Extend Selected to confirm. Success will result in a Selected Delegate Access has been extended successfully message. The new access expiration date will be automatically set to 90 days from the current date of the extension, but the date can be manually selected to a date less than 90 days at your discretion. As a provider, you will receive both a 30-day and a 15-day email notice of an upcoming delegate access expiration, and to notify you to act and extend delegation. The following situations may occur. If you try to create a duplicate delegate with an email address that is already in use, or assign delegation rights to another physician that already has a user account in the CalGenetic portal, you will receive an error message pop-up window notifying you that the action is not allowed. Let's summarize. Here are the key takeaways of the video. The email address provided will be the delegate's username for login and cannot be changed once created. Delegate access can be granted for a maximum of up to 90 days at a time. Access must be renewed every 90 days for security purposes. Access expires on, and facility permissions can be modified and saved.